name is Corey, and I am a model, actor, voiceover artist, and producer. I've known Marie for the past 10 years, and I can tell you, with over 38 years of knowledge and expertise, Marie has helped shape the lives and careers of many successful models in the fashion world, including Cindy Crawford. Boss Babe Models is an excellent platform to learn from that'll help navigate you through this ever-changing, complicated industry and thrive while doing so. And with that being said, allow me to introduce you to Marie. Hi, Marie.
Hi, Corey. Thank you. Hi, you guys. I'm Marie P. Anderson, model coach and model agent, and I also happen to be the founder of Boss Babe Models, which is an online tutorial program where I teach young boss babes on how to become professional models and influencers, and yet at the same time still maintaining your dignity and self-respect. Having been a model myself, I have profound empathy for this journey of yours, so I can promise you I've made the mistakes so that you don't have to.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. I am 21 years old and I live in South Florida. I met Marie about 5 years ago at a talent camp in Orlando at the age of 16. After that, it was pretty much love at first sight. Marie and I rearranged some time for me to fly up to Chicago to get my portfolio started. She pretty much took me under her wing after that. She signed me to the agency that she was with at the time and became my mother agent. She has taught me so many things about the industry that I don't think I would ever know if it wasn't for her. I'm so thankful for everything that she's taught me. I can't wait for her to watch me grow and us be on this journey together.
Hi, my name is Sienna Hahn, and so let's just sum up how I met Marie. So Marie and I met up in Chicago through my amazing mother agent Charles Barnes, and she had chosen me to be a part of her Boss Babe campaign. And so I came up there and I had no idea what to expect because I was new to the modeling business. I've learned so much from Marie, but especially how to just sell the job, just to get it every single time and just go for what you want and never give up, and how to talk to agents and how to just make it happen. So my transformation experience with Marie has just been an amazing journey. She has taught me so much. And speaking of which, I was a new model whenever I started. I was kind of lost, but she just put me right on track.
Hey, I'm Alex from all the way over in England, just outside London, and unbelievably, myself and Marie have never actually physically met. One day I will, but I've always felt incredibly close to her, and I was extremely lucky to one day in my early stages of my career I gained contact with Marie, and she has been an incredible guide all the way through, from early stages in my modeling and fitness modeling career to when I was building up my social media and everything. And I know that in the various directions that I have to go and all the advice you receive, I knew that the advice and guide I was receiving from Marie I could really trust. And ever since then to even now, where I'm pursuing bigger dreams, she's always been an incredible guide, and I'm really excited to see what else Marie is doing next with videos and further advice. I know it's going to help me further, as well as so many other people.
Hi, my name is Natalie Aponte. I'm 17 years old and I live in Florida. Now, even though I may live in Florida, I met Marie when I visited Chicago in October of this past year. Now, even though I may have only known her for a few months, she has helped me more than I could have ever imagined. I can't thank her enough for her helping me with some really big decisions in my life, including one of which is cutting my hair. Growing up, I've always had long hair, and cutting it this short is something that was really scary, but ended up being a decision that I wouldn't ever regret. Now, another really big decision she's helped me make is me becoming way more outspoken and changing up my Instagram and social media. I'm a very minimalistic and shy person, so her constantly letting me know to be more out there and be more outspoken has helped me a lot, and I can't thank her enough. Thank you, Marie. Bye.
Hello, my name is Brian Bolig. I am 21 years old. I am from the Minneapolis, Minnesota area. Marie P. Anderson is my mother agent, and she discovered me at the Arts International in Orlando, Florida. And I'm so glad she is representing me because she knows so much about this industry. I'm very excited, and I can't thank Marie enough because she knows so much about this business. She also gave me so many tips and about social media, about influencing, about the modeling career, about casting, acting, all this amazing tips that I would have never knew if I wasn't with Marie. And I'm just so thankful that I am with her and that I know she always has my back, and I'm ready to pursue this career with her and ready to hit it off.
If you're interested in Boss Babe Models, you can go to our website, bossbabemodels.com, or our Instagram, Boss Babe Models. If you're interested in learning more about me, Marie P. Anderson, you can go to my website, mariepanderson.com, or to my Instagram, Marie P. Anderson.